In this video, I'm taking you through the vintage and antique furniture workshop owned by Meenu Khanolkar, which is also called Fifth Cross Antiques. The Google map brings you right through to the gate, and through a narrow little alley you get to this store. It's exactly like walking into a treasure hunt, and you walk through the door and you're greeted by this mind-blowing view of all the furniture and accessories and wood. And if you're someone who loves Indian vintage and antique furniture, you will stop right there and take in all of this visual and see all of those details peeping through every little nook and corner of this place. Every time I'm here, I say hi to Meenu, and then I have to take a few moments to see what is new, what is finished, and what changes have happened in the workshop. So Meenu sells a lot of antique and vintage furniture in solid wood, and she also has a lot of old wood which she buys, which is used to repurpose into newer pieces. When old buildings are demolished, there's a lot of architectural waste that is generated, generally in terms of pillars or little corner brackets, wooden planks, staircase balustrades, doors. So she buys all of these things and gets them repurposed into either furniture or small little pieces like candle stand holders or pedestal stands. Some of the large glass cabinets that you see in this video are actually made from old teak wood doors. This is a workshop and not a store, so don't expect a retail store kind of ambience. There's work happening simultaneously, so you have to be prepared for dust and a workshop kind of environment. And to visit, you will have to take an appointment before you actually land here. Currently, she has a beautiful range of cupboards, mirror stands, bookshelves, chairs, swing, and a lot of small items like shelves, benches, candle stands, and all of that. If you are a new vintage or antique furniture collector, I would suggest that you take your time and do your homework. Understand different kinds of woods, different kinds of styles of furniture, and then look at stuff online or in other stores. And only when you understand the furniture and the pricing everywhere will you be able to really appreciate that Meenu is offering good quality at a good price. I have known Meenu for over 10 years, and a lot of pieces in my house are from her. And I can tell you for sure that she is going to give you the right information about all of the pieces that she has. If they are old, she will tell you that it's old and antique restored. If it's a new piece made from old wood, she will let you know up front. She's been in business for about 40 years, if I'm not wrong. So you can be rest assured that what is being sold to you is authentic, old, or reproduced as she tells you. Last year, I got a pair of cupboards done from Meenu for a client, and we actually took one antique cupboard and then reproduced it and made another one from old wood. And honestly, you cannot make out which one is new and which one is old. Here is a picture of Meenu with the two cupboards that she made for my client. So Meenu's workshop, Fifth Cross Antiques, is located in Shantinagar, Bangalore. The Google location for Fifth Cross Antiques will bring you right to the gate. Once you've taken an appointment, you can drop in and look at all of the things, beautiful things that she has on display. Currently, she also has a lovely range of small things for the festival season, which are made from upcycled old teak wood. If you're a solid wood vintage furniture enthusiast, I suggest you come with at least an hour in hand and look at the things on display. There is something to be discovered pretty much in every corner, and it's quite literally like a treasure hunt. And if you want more information about any of the pieces that you've liked, you can ask Meenu, and you can be rest assured that you'll get some good information and correct information. Talking about pricing, now solid wood furniture and accessories don't come cheap. Teak wood itself, I think, currently sells at about 7,000 rupees a cubic feet, which is 1 feet by 1 feet by 1 feet piece of teak wood sells at 7,000 rupees. So you can imagine large pieces are going to cost quite a bit. Now, being a stylist who's perpetually shopping for clients, I can tell you that Meenu is one of the few people who offers good quality solid wood furniture at a very affordable price compared to anybody else in the market. And most of her clients come back to her whenever there is a requirement for a piece of furniture or get something custom made. The workshop actually has 2 levels. There's a ground level and then there's a mezzanine level. And as you go up the stairs and turn around, you can get a nice top view of all of the furniture that is displayed in the ground level. Every time I talk about old antique and vintage furniture, there's always a request asking if the person will buy old furniture from people. The answer to that is no. Meenu does not buy old furniture from individuals. She only buys from her dealers who supply to her for various reasons. So no, she does not buy old furniture from people. If you are a new collector, I would suggest that you make multiple visits and understand furniture, understand workmanship, and start with something small. The whole idea of having a vintage collected home is that you set up one piece after the other and slowly start building your collection one piece at a time, and that requires time and effort. So put that effort, and when you do that, you can be sure that you will have a very unique home that is true to yourself. I hope you enjoyed this workshop tour, and let me know if you'd like more of this kind of content. See you in the next one.